Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by everyone at C10. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizers and Chemicals Limited, and GNFC is the ticker name. And right now you are watching the monthly technical chart of the stock. And these are all the technical indicators that I deployed on the stock for technical analysis. And this is the historical price chart of GNFC. And these are all the graphs that are generated by these technical indicators related to the stock. Regarding data for technical analysis, we have data since 2011 June onwards up to 2017 November 17th. Okay. Now, if you look at the historical price path pattern, I'm taking this particular point as origin, as I'm seeing from this point, this stock started moving in the upward direction. Okay, from February 2016 onwards, the stock started moving in the upward direction and consistently making new highs. And after that there is a small sideways movement, and again there is a peak, and again right now the stock is under the consolidation phase. Gujarat Narmada Valley, actually from technically right now it is in the consolidation phase, so you can easily guess that most of the indicators may not show a positive signal. I mean they throw negative signals only, but at this point of time you need to look at the historical price path pattern of the stock. Number one. Number two, you need to look at the what sort of business that this company is doing, and whether there is any future for that sort of business. Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizers and Chemicals. No, these people make fertilizers, and recently they had changed their. They had added a new direction to their portfolio. They added a new neem products. They are focusing on the neem products, and they are they are expecting some 300 crore business within the next. They want to do some 300 crore business within the next 3 years relating to this neem products. So this is a thing that they are focusing on, new thing that they are focusing on right now. So and again, fertilizers and chemicals. As long as we guys do agriculture on this planet, we need such kind of thing. And though the land for agriculture is coming down, but no matter whether you do normal agriculture or aquaponics or hydroponics or whatever, still you need something to boost your plants, agriculture related plants, related stuff, right? So anyway, this particular business has this particular company has demand in future. Now, that is a market analysis for related to the company and company related business. Now, if you look at the technical angle, this stock right now is under the consolidation phase, and this stock has already crossed its 20 and 50-day moving averages. Good, and it is right now under the influence of a positive super trend mode. It is another good. Relative strength of the stock, if you look at, it is a little bit weak. Actually, it is. If you look at the tip, it is going down. Direction strength is increasing. Good. Both the positive and negative directional lines are are in a good position. They are diverging also. That is another good. Stochastics is playing near by the top line. That is good. But the slow line is dominating the fast line, which is not good. Volume change, price volume change. I'm keeping the crosshairs here for your understanding. The volume is increasing. You can clearly see that. And momentum is playing on top of the baseline. That's good, but if you look at the tip, it is coming down. So momentum is a little bit down right now. And if you look at the balance of power. Balance of power is something like bullish bearish phase. That's what it shows. And right now the stock is in the bullish phase. But if you look at the tip, it seems like it is going to cut through the baseline and then cut through the baseline and enter the bearish phase. But that kind of thing didn't happen because the last since February 2016, this is the third time the stock is touching the baseline and again going up. So the trend is something like that. It is not cutting through. Let's see what happens. We will come back to the stock later after a few days. Then we will see. And elder ray is showing that the bearish phase is slowly increasing. You see the red histogram here. It is slowly increasing, and the bullish phase is slowly decreasing. Right. So anyway, right now the stock is under the consolidation phase, so we can expect these kind of things and these kind of signals from this thing, from the indicators. Now, if you look at the business of the stock, since we know that it has a good future, in the market. In the next coming few years, we know that every agriculture. All agriculture stuff, whatever we produce through agriculture. We need to use some sort of fertilizers and chemicals to boost the production of the plant that we cultivate. So GNFC normally, I mean, that is its business to provide such kind of fertilizers and chemicals. And and again, one more point. Actually, it is right now focusing on bio, I mean, neem related stuff. So that is a planet friendly kind of a fertilizer and chemicals. It is it started producing. So I think this particular company has has more demand. Will get more demand in future. As for me, even though the stock is going down right now, and there is no particular pattern that this stock path pattern this particular company has formed so far. We can actually I can go for I can say that we can recommend this stock, but keeping, I mean, looking at the business demand of the company, but looking at the performance, that is business demand itself is not enough. We need to know the company management performance also, because what is stopping me to recommend this stock for long term at this moment during this consolidation phase is this performance. Say what happened to this company in all these years. This many years it has been in the market, and so far and up to February 2016, it was not doing that much great. So maybe it might be due to the management fault. We don't know exactly. I'm not pointing out at anything, but the point is, there are n number of factors sorry, which drive a company's performance, company's growth. So it is not just the market demand. Though the market demand is there, but still if the management of the company is not performing well, or if the product is not good, then the market won't take it. So due to that, that reason also, the company might not perform well in the market. So this is one particular thing that is holding me to recommend this stock for long term. Okay, at this moment, I conclude this analysis by saying that we will keep this stock in wait and watch mode, and we will come back to the stock later after a few days. So that is the conclusion. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.